IVM.
Ow! I injured my arm. I was in the gym lifting weights, doing, my normal pull-ups and traps with about 400 pounds in each arm. And actually, I was doing the bench press. I can't lie. I was on my 8th lift. It was about 360 pounds without a spot. I don't like to go lower and, embarrass myself. And suddenly my daughter enters all excited and she says, "Dad, have you heard?" And I said, "Heard what?" And she said, "Now you can get Kotak home loans at only 6.5% interest." I was so shocked, my hand slipped, the bench press bar fell on my other hand, and before I knew it, I'm on my way to hospital in a lot of pain. But before the hospital, driver, Kotak Mahindra Bank pe rokna. I need to do this now. I blame my daughter for this. ऐसी बातें बताने से पहले कृपया ध्यान रखे. I mean, come on, yaar. Terms and conditions apply. Interest rate starting at 6.5% per annum.
Hello and welcome to another episode of IVM Likes. I don't know why I'm talking like that, but that's what it is this week. I guess every week I change my voice. And this week it's this. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Antariksh Thakkar. Joining me on this episode are my fellow producers Aditya Vora and Surohini Jain. What's happening, Surohini? How are you?
Hey, I'm good. I am pumped to talk about.
What we're going to be
I don't want
talking
to
about?
disclose the name. Yeah, what we're going to talk
I mean,
about.
it'll be somewhere either in the episode title or in the description. If the
But I mean, you'll still
listeners-
introduce it, no? So yeah, whatever
correct.
Antariksh says.
yeah.
And just
Yeah.
happy to be here.
Thank you, man. We're seeing you after some time, Surohini.
Yeah, after quite
The last
some
one
time.
was the sports one, if I'm not wrong.
I think so. I
With
don't
Vishal
remember.
and Vinay.
I think so. Yeah, that was the last.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the last.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much for coming back on the show. And joining us for the first time with Surohini and me is Aditya Vora on IVM Likes. Aditya, what's up, buddy?
Hey, this is so great to be here. This is what people say when they're there for the first time, right?
Yeah, I mean, you have to, right? What
Oh,
can
I'm
you say?
glad to be here. I've been listening
Yeah,
to
yeah.
this show for so long.
Oh, thanks, man. I'm a huge fan of the podcast. I haven't missed a single episode. All that shit. Yeah. All that. Aditya, this is you're literally your first time on the show, and you just recently joined IVM. How long has it been now? Were you with
It's
IVM?
been 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Wow, it seems
Yes.
longer, does it not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, time
It's been a while.
flies. Time flies when you're having a decent time. All right. So on this episode, we're going to be talking about this new Netflix show that has come out called The House of Secrets, The Burari Deaths, which is about a family which was found hanging one fine day in July of 2018. So it's a very engaging documentary series that we'll be talking about. So coming back. So we'll be talking about that right after this very short break. Stay tuned. Thank you. The Matrix, I, Robot, The Terminator, 2001 A Space Odyssey. There have been tons of epic movies that revolve around AI and the possible dangers it poses to humanity. AI is often shown as this thing that should be feared and can easily get out of control. But that's not really the case. Luckily, Intel's Digital Readiness Program is here to empower everyone with skill sets, mindsets, and tool sets to use in an AI-fueled world, so you can be ready to develop AI for even sports if you want to. As part of Intel's AI for Youth program, Intel's been working with the CBSE, the Ministry of Education, and the Government of India to empower today's youth to build social impact solutions while demystifying what AI is. How do you take advantage of this? Purchase an Intel powered PC and you get free access to 80 plus hours of immersive and hands-on training about AI. On completion of the program, along with the certificate, you get access to AI toolsets to try and put what you learned to good use. So don't wait. Log on to futurebanawonderful.intel.com. Future Banaw Wonderful by bringing home an Intel powered PC. All right, and we are back. We're talking about The House of Secrets, The Burari Deaths. This is a new Netflix 3-part documentary series that is out. And man, what a weekend I had watching this show, I must say, Surohini, Aditya.
Yeah.
And please feel free to interject me at any point. I had a crazy weekend this weekend, okay? First, I saw Dave Chappelle's The Closer, okay? Which had just come out, which is a stand-up special. Then I started watching Squid Game, okay? And so now I've reached episode 6 of Squid Game. But I could not finish Squid Game because I noticed another show which I had forgotten the release date of, but I knew was coming sometime in October and I was really looking forward to, which was this House of Secrets, The Burari Deaths. Okay, and I had heard about this case only earlier this year, which I find insane that this case happened in 2018. How the hell did I not hear about it in 2018, dude? If this was such a big case, and
It was huge.
It was
The
huge.
case was huge.
Yeah, I was
Exactly.
in Delhi at the time this was happening.
Were you both in Delhi at the time?
Yeah,
Yeah, I was in Delhi.
same. I was in Delhi.
Okay, so can you
And,
guys? What was happening? Do you remember the day that it happened? Like, do you find out on the day?
Yes.
Wow. Okay,
Go
so
ahead, go ahead.
just before we get into this, I'll just quickly explain what
Yeah.
the show is.
Yeah.
So firstly, there'll be some spoilers, but not really, because again, this is all in the public domain anyway, and
Yeah.
it's just been documentarized now. And so basically, the documentary is about this one fine day on July 2nd, I think, of 2018. July 1st of 2018.
July
Okay,
1st, yes.
This guy knows his dates. Oh man, that's great.
Oh,
Okay,
man.
okay. So on July 1st of 2018. Sorry, I laughed at such a dark thing. On July 1st of 2018, the 11 members of a family, so basically an entire family, an entire household, was found hanging inside their house in the Burari district of Delhi. This was the Chundawat family, and yeah, there was like a big halabaloo, like how can 11 people die in one day? How can all 11 of them commit suicide? Must have been murder, there must have been poison and then hung later. Again, I must specify that 10 members of the family were found hanging, and one member of the family was found on the ground. The grandmother was found on the ground
Half
in her bed.
hanging.
Yeah, partial. She had apparently, postmortem
Yeah.
report said that she had been strangled and then partially hung
Yeah.
with the cupboard which was next to her bed.
Yeah.
Using the cupboard which was next to her bed.
Right.
So you guys are telling me that you guys were aware of this case while it was happening, and
Right. So I think the first time that I heard was when at 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. -ish.
on the day it happened.
On the day it happened.
Yeah,
like
you're right,
7
because in the
or 8
documentary,
AM-ish.
exactly in the documentary they say that around 7 o'clock or something was when that the neighbor Sardar neighbor went to their house because
Yeah.
5:30 को दुकान खुलती थी उनकी
दुकान
दूध की
खुली थी,
दुकान
दूध की दुकान थी. Yes.
और
correct.
ये नहीं खुली थी this one day, and people were like, oh, this is out of the ordinary, and they tried
Right.
calling up, nobody picked up. So then this woman sent her
Right.
husband to their house because they were like
Right.
friendly neighbors, and he reaches the house, and gate is already ajar, or not ajar, like it's open. So
It's
he just
open.
pushes it
Like,
open.
it's not open. Like he just
Unlatched,
like knocks and then he just pushes and it
Yeah.
opens.
Yeah.
And then he's
This
like,
is also like how every horror story like begins.
Exactly, dude. Exactly,
Ki,
dude.
This
Exactly.
should not have happened.
Exactly. So you guys are saying that you found out on that day.
Yeah, on that day at
And
I think 8
do you remember
a.m. or
what-
7 a.m. ish.
Did you find out like you read it like
Just
on
the
your phone?
headline.
You read the
Just
newspaper?
the headline. No, I think
Newspaper, news, TV?
I think WhatsApp message. I think
Ooh.
I saw WhatsApp message and just the headline because it's in Delhi, so
Yeah.
it was just the headline that 11 people found dead in
Exactly. Like
house.
how can you? It's immediately headline.
Not like
grabbing,
not
right? Exactly,
not
yeah.
even saying ki it's a suicide, not even saying it's a murder or anything. Just 11 people found dead in a
Yeah.
house at
Tantan.
Burari.
location.
In Burari.
Burari.
Yeah, Burari.
Yeah. So just that, and that's it. And that was the news. That was the only information that I got at that particular time. And then I think after an hour or so, it was all over.
Social media, news.
Social media, news, everywhere. And nobody knew what happened because I think it was all
I mean, see, if you just look at
rumors
it, like
and everything.
if you just broadly look at it, like if I did not know better, if we did not have more information that we have since had that we will talk about, of course, it does look too far fetched to believe that 11 people committed suicide.
Exactly.
Especially when
Yeah.
you hear about it, you're
Exactly.
like, what? That doesn't sound right at all, dude.
But you know what? I had actually heard about
Yes.
a similar case a few years ago.
Okay.
Before this
What-
happened.
Okay.
So this happened somewhere in Bangladesh. There were
Okay.
like some 8 or 9 members of a family who
Okay.
threw themselves on the train track without anyone like forcing them to do. They just did it on themselves. They were the Adams cult.
They were the what
So-
called?
The Adams cult.
Adams.
Adam's cut.
Yes. And they used to live as like Adam and Eve did, without any sin or free from everything else and free from all religion.
You mean no
And,
clothes and all?
Yep. They just went there and they lied
They were
down in
na-
front of a
were-
train.
Were they naked?
Oh,
I mean,
I
Adam's
didn't
cult.
really.
Adam's cult. I don't know.
Okay, I didn't go into that
No,
much
I
of a
don't know.
detail.
Okay,
But
okay.
yeah, I remember this thing happening, and this was like when I was in eighth or something.
Wow. So 8, 9 people of a family, but did they ever find a suicide note or something? Or like
Oh, they found diaries there.
there also they found diaries.
Yes, which is exactly what was
But
so creepy
and
about this case.
they were also of the same family, because that
Okay.
is like creepy about this, that this
Yeah,
is
exactly.
one
One family.
family.
So
Just
you're
one
saying
family.
8, 9 members of the same family.
So
You're saying also,
Yes,
Aditya?
wow.
Damn. And they
they
found
lived in a
diaries
house
also.
called the Adams House.
Okay.
Adam's house.
Adam's family.
That's
This
creepy.
is.
They were the Adams family.
Adam's
The Addams
well,
family.
literally the Adam's family.
Yeah.
But wow. So you're not saying there's a connection, of course. But it's just a crazy coincidence that this something like this happens, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Man, wow.
No,
Okay, I have to read up on this Adam's cult. Okay, we will find out more and we'll do an episode of Adam's cult next week also.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you're saying you have heard about this as well, Aditya. Aditya, at the time when this case came, like when you found out about this when it was going on, what were you doing in Delhi and how did you find
So
out?
I was in Delhi. I had just come back from a trip from Missouri, and it was about the time I was preparing for like my journalism ke entrance exams.
Hmm.
So I was all over the newspapers and the TV channels and everything. I was following everything that was happening. And when this broke out,
Oh, you
I
were
was
following stuff anyway,
I was
and
yeah,
then
I was following a lot of news at
because
that time.
yeah.
So when this happened, I saw that this happened in Burari, and
Hmm.
Burari is a place which I know for other reasons. So there's a comic publication called Raj Comics. They have their
Okay.
headquarters in Burari. So this is a
Oh,
name
wow.
which I have been reading since like I was a child.
Hmm.
Right. So in every
Okay.
Nagraj comic, they print it that this is printed in Burari. So I was always
Wow.
fascinated by that place, and I've been there a couple of times. They also have a Coronation Park over there. Anyway, so it's a really interesting sort of a place where nothing ever happens. It's one of those silent, peaceful places. So to find like 11
Silent
people,
societies.
just
Yeah.
I mean,
it's
in a way,
very-
this was still peaceful. If you think
Oh
about it.
yes, it was. They
Or
were just
dark.
hanging
Or
out.
dark.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just hanging like a banyan tree.
Yeah,
Uh,
I
Also,
mean,
the whole banyan tree thing, by the way, if you look at mythology and all of that, banyan
Yeah.
tree has always been something like that. Because if you read, like, we as children always read the stories of Vikram and Betal.
Yeah,
Betal used to
correct.
hang out in a banyan tree.
Yeah, you're right.
So it's
Used to
always
be
got
hang
some
upside
creepy
down in
connotation
a,
to it.
yeah, upside down in a banyan tree, right?
yeah, that's how I think
Yeah, Vetal
they
was
used to
shown.
tell the stories for
Yeah.
Betal.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, dude. I
So I
never
think
thought
to
that.
explain the listeners, this is a three episode
3-part documentary series, yeah. Mini series.
documentary
Docu-series.
series. And I think in the first episode only they kind of introduce the banyan tree.
Yeah.
Actually the cover of the documentary series has has this banyan tree on it. I was actually, the first time when I came across this series was I was actually same like Antariksh. I was on Netflix trying to watch something else and just popped up on my screen and the trailer started and I just watched ki pehli line. There's this old man talking about death,
Hmm.
and then there is this whole family tree bana
Yeah.
rahe hain,
Yeah.
and then there is other like incidents of I think chunnis hanging from a shed. That was a shed, right?
That was like so
Skylight.
basically it was like a skylight. There was like
Yeah.
like from their terrace till the floor below the terrace there was
Yeah. So
there was like basically a hole. It seemed like a makeshift kind of hole that they had made, like a
Yeah.
cutout, and then added
Yeah.
glass in between so that it looked like a skylight from which is
Yeah.
allowing light to pass by. Yeah, from
Right.
Yeah.
So I mean I was like, ki, okay, I need to watch this right away. It was
Hmm.
around
Squid Game can wait.
one. Yeah, I think anything can wait. 1 a.m. and I'm watching this trailer. I was like, what the hell? And I watched it, and I didn't know okay, this was about that particular case. I had no idea.
Oh.
Once I started watching it, I was like, oh, this is that case.
Oh, and then it all came
That
back to you.
happened.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, then it came back to me. Oh my god. Oh,
Damn.
that's.
So we should just first break down. I'm imagining a lot of the listeners who are listening to this have seen the show or are at least interested in watching the show. So basically, the 3 episodes, how it goes. This is going to be kind of spoilerish, but not really. Again, as I said, the 3 episodes, how they go is the first episode is just about how the bodies were found and the part till the bodies are taken by the police in their ambulances and what have you, right? And yes, the second episode is about solving as to why this could have happened. Why this family, exploring all the angles as to why they did this, what could possibly have been reason, who could have been at fault, and which is when they find these 11 diaries, which give some kind of an insight as to why they could have done this. And the third episode is more of an exploration of psyche and human conditioning and society as a whole, and mental health also to some extent.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so that is the third episode. So
Yeah.
the first episode, again, we already explained how the bodies are found, right? Like this, their neighbor basically enters the house, sees the bodies there. Okay, and immediately a big crowd forms, right? Because dude, fucking 11 bodies, this entire family, which was kind of well known in this entire neighborhood, quite well known,
Yeah.
has suddenly committed suicide.
Also,
What
they
I
have
found,
a shop.
yeah,
there,
they have a
sorry.
shop. They're doing well enough for that,
Yeah.
right? For their, at least
It's
for
just
their
like
world,
a
it seems.
regular middle class family
Yeah, exactly.
doing regular things,
Yeah.
living their regular life.
What actually caught everyone off guard? Firstly, of course, 11 people, nobody expects 11 people
Nobody,
together to
yeah.
commit suicide. It seems too far fetched. But
Yeah.
what caught everyone else off guard is also, yeah, this family was like very normal, as Suroni said, very normal. This thing, family, SNEAK, they used to be this, they were like secluded from everyone else or something. They used to like keep themselves. No, they had friends.
Right,
They had
and they
very
were
good
having
friends and
like
good
a-
friendships. Yeah.
They were
Yeah.
having like a very normal day the day this happened.
Exactly.
So a
Yeah.
night before that, they had ordered food from outside. They were
Yeah.
just going out there to shop stuff.
The kids had played with their friends and all in the neighborhood. Like at night, they used to
Exactly,
play.
exactly.
Everything very, very
Yeah.
regular to their daily lives. Like
Yeah.
nothing changed, nothing not so off guard or not so like
This is just a
different
casual day.
from
Exactly.
just a casual day.
And what is even insane, and there's video footage of this, which has now been again been going viral, is 15 days before this event, their daughter Priyanka
They,
had just gotten engaged. So they're throwing like a big celebration where they're doing like dances and like having a baller time. You can see all the members of the family are literally dancing and having a baller time. They look like such a normal family,
Yeah.
dude. Normal Delhi family they look like. And then to go ahead 11 days later and to find all of these people dead is, you can't even fathom. Can you imagine just being there in that neighborhood or being a relative of theirs who survived, or just a friend who knew them since childhood? Who would think that something like this would happen? This is how this family, all of these family members will go away. This is no, but I can, like, literally I've tried. Okay, what would make me even think that about someone? There's nothing that someone can say that will make me believe that this entire family is about to come, or any other entire family is about to commit suicide, which is
Right, and even look at the CCTV footage that they shared. So these people
Yeah.
were buying the stools that they were eventually about to hang on. Like they
Yeah.
actually got the stools that these stools
Exactly.
It was so creepy.
Exactly. So then, so what happens now is that this family is found, right? Perfectly normal family. They found all 11 bodies. It's a big, it's actually quite a task if you think about it, to carry 11 bodies down then and take it in an ambulance, because 11 ambulances have to be called. The lane where this house is located is not big enough for the big ambulances.
very narrow. Yeah.
So it has to be one of those small Omni kind of ambulances that have to be called. So that therefore 11 ambulances all have to be entered. And there's massive media, massive crowd, right? Because this is right now, when this happens, this is the biggest case in the country. And also one of a kind, unique case, so like once in a lifetime kind of an occurrence. This thing. So everyone wants to get to the bottom of this, right? So big halabalu. They try to get this body out. And this body's out. They go to do a postmortem. And after the postmortem, they realize, dude, it was, in fact, they died by hanging. They died by strangulation. The grandmother died by strangulation. These people died by hanging. They were exploring all angles. They were exploring murder. They were exploring manipulation, like mental manipulation or something. I don't know how that happens. But they were exploring all angles that they could. But the only thing that they
robbery,
could get
theft.
to,
They were
yeah,
exploring
exactly. They robbery,
everything that
theft.
could
Yeah,
have been
like all the jewelry or that the women.
possibility
Yeah, exactly.
for this to happen. But I think while exploring police or then the CBI, I think they had an idea that this is something not,
Like there's some supernatural elements to this. Is that what you're saying?
yeah,
Like
not supernatural, but something not related to
Or
murder
regular suicide
or
for sure.
It
It's
wasn't a
not-
typical
Yeah.
crime.
it was not
Exactly.
a typical crime.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Which also raises some very interesting questions. which I can actually talk about right now. I was thinking that maybe we should address that later. But a very interesting question that comes up, and that blew my mind towards the end of the documentary. They tell us this question is that if these guys did commit suicide, okay, and by going by the diaries that were found, it would seem like one of these family members. Again, we'll talk about this. It would seem like one of these family members influenced the other family members or indoctrinated these other family members into basically becoming a family cult. They were this one family had become like this
Exactly.
cult
Yeah.
head by this one figure in the family,
Yeah.
and that figure is the person who made them commit suicide in such a way. Okay,
Right.
but in the diary, it kind of mentions quite clearly, actually, it kind of mentions quite clearly that they expected to survive because they were
Right.
talking about what the procedures are after you wake up and
Right.
after you have to untie, how to
Right.
untie and all that.
Right.
So they were expecting to survive all this. So an interesting question that comes up is it suicide? Is it murder that someone else is making you do it?
Right.
It's suicide if you're doing it of your own volition. It's murder if someone else is making you do it. But if you're doing it yourself, it's still kind of
Suicide.
assisted suicide. Then I don't know how it works. Or if if it is
that's-
if they expected to survive, then it is just accidental death. It's not even suicide then. Right. So yeah, the terminology.
yeah, the
of this is also
question
weird.
was raised, like the same question I think was raised in the documentary itself as well.
Yeah, exactly.
I think
That's
the
what I mean, yeah.
category, they were not all, everybody was not able to, really find the category of crime this was actually placed in.
Exactly.
Because everybody was so confused and so, I think, not really ready to accept ki, how
Yeah.
could it be?
Yeah. Also, if you
How
think
is it
about it,
possible?
exactly. I get what Suroni is saying. Just
How?
to add to Suroni's point, because suicide seems like, sort of says, but seems like a convenient explanation, right? It seems like
Exactly.
suicide
No,
also
it is,
almost
it
seems like a
is.
lazy explanation. Okay,
It
I don't want to do
is,
too much
yes.
work in investigating this case. I'm not going to say suicide. So that's why then the media started. Again, you guys can fill me in on this, please.
Yeah,
But the
yeah.
media started harassing the police in the way that saying okay, they're trying to cover up the family, the remaining members of the family who had survived, like from other
I think-
cities. They started
Yeah.
accusing the police of covering up.
So,
So
I
do you
think
guys
what
remember
happened
what was?
is, I
Yeah.
think a lot of what happened was because of the flare up of this case, because of so much of eyeballs on this case, police couldn't really say this key, this has happened. Just plainly say it as suicide. They would have to show and for not even just show but they would have to investigate it quite thoroughly so
Yeah.
that they cannot rule out all other possibilities. A, because media. B, because one of the
Yeah.
kind of case that it was.
Exactly. Also, I think kind of what happens
See,
is when something becomes when a
this
case becomes this
much-
high profile, right? Becomes this high profile. Then even the police have to even things that they know for sure, dude, that's definitely not what
They'll
the answer
have
is.
to-
They have to
Right.
investigate that also. They have to.
And
They'll
since
have to.
Yeah.
we're talking of the police,
Yes.
I mean, do you guys remember that scene in the first episode when the police guy gets so excited when they start
Dude,
talking about
that
the
police
murders?
guy was awesome, dude.
Man, kitna
That guy
khush
was
tha wo aadmi.
I know. No, but
Like
that guy was
this-
smiling throughout, and
So
I kind of
his
he was
exact
like a good.
statement-
He's a
Yeah.
good, cool police officer, I would say. He's just
Right,
like a
and
nice.
his exact
decent
statement
guy,
was
dude.
कि लाशें गिनी तुमने 7 8 9 अरे कितनी सारी लाशें थी.
Yeah,
He was
correct,
so
correct.
happy.
that was
Yeah.
like that just sorry to say, but that just my mind. I was like,
Right?
he's laughing
So
and he's
Yeah.
hearing this
Yeah, I
news
know,
and he's
I know. At
laughing
first
and he's
it
recalling
did.
and laughing, and I was like, what?
And,
Agreed.
yeah, and someone actually
But-
called them in the station and he's like, अच्छा भी documentary हो रही बाद में call करना.
correct. Exactly. That guy, dude. That exact guy was.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
want to say ki this series was a literally a no filter documentary series. I don't
Yeah.
think so. Ki
You know, exactly. Again, to add to Suroni's point, what I really liked also that they didn't capitalize on the Rona
They
Dhona of the other
did,
family
yeah.
members and all.
Yes,
They
that
just
was
stuck to the
Yeah,
stuff.
that
was
They
actually
showed
so.
these family members crying, of course, but they
Yeah.
didn't give extra 5 seconds to that crying scene or
yeah,
something.
it was like 2 seconds. Okay, yeah,
Yeah, you're done. Yeah.
You're done.
So that was pretty well done.
right. And the
Uh,
makers actually I totally give a lot of props to the makers because they actually went to places like Tohana. They went to they
Yep,
went to the
correct.
dog shelter where they had rescued that dog from.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
correct.
they actually did quite a bit of
Yeah, so
follow-ups on
It was
with the story.
actually it was not an 11-member family. It was a 12-member family.
Yeah, but one of
One
the sister
was
one of the
the-
sister-in-laws was living out of the house.
13 member
Dog.
family.
13-member family?
Yeah, one
Sorry,
brother.
no. There were 3 other people. Then the dog and the 2 others, the son and the daughter who
Okay.
lived separately.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
13,
I'm saying
14
at
then.
that particular
Right, at that
at the
night,
day
yes,
of the at the night of the incident, there were 12 creatures living
10 living beings. 10 living
beings.
beings. Yeah.
This is how they put it. This is how they
Right,
actually
right.
put it. This is not me. This is actually the
Yeah, yeah.
series putting it.
And actually,
that way.
that dog was just so. I don't get it, dude. Dude, this poor animal has been through so much. Why are you still mistreating him?
So I think it this like so what happened I think was that arriving of the CM was one of the major reasons why this
That's
got
who's Kejriwal at the time.
Yes,
yeah
yes.
it was crazy.
It's still him.
Kejriwal.
Yep.
Yeah, it still is.
Yeah.
But yeah, he arrived. Then a lot of politicians arrived because of course
This is like a very high profile case. Exactly.
High-profile
Everyone
case.
wants to get the name attached and all. And then like
every
other smaller factions also
crime
start getting involved.
reporter-
Like Karni Sena and all, they start showing up.
Karni
कि
Sena,
हाँ, ये
yeah.
हमारे लोग हैं ये लोग
Yeah,
कैसे हो सकता है हमारी
every
family
crime reporter
Yeah.
in the country, I guess, was there to report this.
Correct.
They didn't had anything to report yet at that particular time.
Yeah, I wonder
But they
what Republic was
there.
reporting. What Arnav and Republic was reporting at the time. Do you guys happen
I
to
think
remember?
they
at all?
were there, but they were just not captured by the documentary series
Hmm.
because they are not like really
Yeah.
news media. But okay.
Yeah, fair. There's some shade. uh, so let's talk about these diaries, right? That
Right.
they found, that they talk about in the second episode. They start getting these
Right.
diaries,
Right.
and how they find these diaries is, again, this series did a very good job in also showing what the police, the kind of forensics the police have to collect right after like a crime scene has
Yeah.
happened. So
Yeah.
how the diaries were found is the forensics team was taking copious amounts of pictures and videos, right? And part of these pictures and videos were like every corner of the house is basically being captured.
Yeah.
So अगर टीवी के बाजू में कोई book है, the book was being captured and then opened कि
Right.
book के अंदर क्या लिखा है. And that's when they found one of these diaries, which was the first diary was found next to the TV, and it was just like
Next
it looked
to
like a
a
regular
temple,
notebook,
I
dude.
guess.
Yeah, was it next to
to a
temple? I'm
temple?
sorry.
Next
Was it
to a
temple?
temple. Yeah, because
I'm sorry, I said TV. Yeah, temple.
because before finding that diary, they actually found a Havan Kund.
Correct. Oh yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So they found, apparently this family just the previous night had done like a small havan also before
Yeah.
going about with
Right.
the suicide thing. They had apparently done some havan or some ritual or something like that. Is what it seemed like because of the pyre, the fire pyre that was still
Yeah,
there.
it seemed like that
Yeah.
they did some sort of puja, some sort of ritual
Yeah.
before everybody
Off themselves. Yeah, you can say that.
yeah.
But
I just don't want to say
I
that,
know.
but yeah.
It's a turn, dude. We didn't do it. Yeah, it's fine.
But yeah,
They did it
and-
themselves. Yeah.
and I think there was this one line also in the series where this the CBI officer says that they usually check the temples first because of the society that we live in.
Oh, people.
Uh,
Yeah. Please
People
go ahead.
tend to be very
People tend to leave their suicide notes and all if they do commit
Yeah,
suicide at the
exactly.
temple is what at least
Yeah.
what they say in the documentary.
they send, and
Yeah.
that's what they checked first, and I think that is where they found the first diary near the temple.
Yeah.
It was not even a diary; it was just a register. It was a
Yes.
register, not even
And-
a diary.
Yeah.
So it could be anything.
And what I really found creepy was the way they were writing in it. It was like a third voice.
No, but wait. Before that, so they found one diary, right?
They found
And then-
one diary.
Yeah, and then they were like, okay, this can't be. This doesn't seem like the only diary.
yeah,
Let's try and find another. So they started combing the entire house. They found
Right.
11 diaries in total.
exactly.
And it would seem like these diaries entries were done almost every day. For the
Every day
last 11 years.
Yeah.
11 years maintaining
So,
an entire family maintaining a
yeah,
diary is
Yeah. And
again,
this family
very-
being the 11-member family.
again, yeah. So that again became like a thing, right? 11
That
Right.
became a
did
thing.
become a
The
thing.
number
that,
11. Yeah.
Number 11.
11 diaries, 11 members of
11
family.
diaries,
And then
11
behind the
families.
house, which is the funniest part of the documentary,
Yes.
was behind the house, there were these seemingly
11.
pipes that went nowhere, which actually did not serve any purpose. There were 11 of these pipes,
Yeah.
4 of them
Yeah.
basically pointing outwards, and
Seven of
them pointing downwards.
Yeah.
And this will show that the people who died were 4 males and 7 females in the
female
family, right?
members.
So it's like this is how the
This is
atma,
how the first
souls of the-
connect.
Right. And they had
So-
someone who said that this was for ventilation.
yeah, some ventilation.
What?
That was good. That was good.
But again,
That
like
was
so,
good.
the media again, like this is shows.
But
the-
this is how like,
also the incompetence or-
I was
Yeah.
like shocked to see that this is how they do. This is how the media took
Exactly.
and did the
Right.
first
They just ran
connection.
with it, dude. They just ran with it without any
First
checking.
connection was this
Yeah,
11.
it's insane, dude.
This is not like
Yeah.
this is like numerology. What is
Right.
Numerology.
Watching Aaj Tak
numerology,
that day
yeah.
was like watching Ahat.
This was like I really thought it was a mere coincidence, but this was how they made the first connection. I was like,
No, but
oh,
then
man.
so then they actually went to the plumber who laid those pipes.
I think that was the documentary people that went to the plumber, right?
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
The
Right.
documentary people went to the
Yeah,
plumber.
I thought,
and the plumber was
not
like,
the media.
dude, I just
media
had.
was like, yeah,
yeah.
this is the reason.
Yeah, correct. So media didn't go to the plumber, which is ridiculous.
Which is ridiculous.
Dude, the first
exactly.
thing a journalist is supposed to do is like investigate, right? To f***ing go to the guy who built this thing and ask him.
Yeah,
It's
this
such
was
a
the
big-
first
yeah.
time when we
So, yeah.
we saw the plumber for that case, and that was just to say that
Yeah, this guy literally just comes on and says that, dude, I had like, there was,
We
like,
had
I had these
extra
extra pipes lying around. My
Well,
workers
like
were
I
lazy, so they just laid it however possible. There's nothing
how
else to it.
was There's
Yeah.
nothing.
Uh,
And not just the pipes. They were actually making connections to 11
Right.
rods on the terrace.
Right.
yeah, correct. 11 rods
11
on the
rods
terrace.
on the terrace, 11
Yeah.
The door
pipes,
entrance.
11 people, 11
Correct.
this, 11 that. I think
Yes.
11 windows. I was like,
Windows.
no, man, come on.
Oh, but one thing that was eerie about the pipes thing, though, I must say,
Yeah.
if it is true, the pattern of the pipes was the same pattern, the one
The way-
with the
the way they were
hanging,
found.
they were
Yeah.
found hanging. So that is again, is that too much of a coincidence?
Creepy.
It is
but I
creepy
think
as hell. Exactly, it is
just a
super eerie.
coincidence. It's creepy as hell.
I know some things can just be coincidences. I know
Yeah.
it's possible.
I mean, this is what this was.
I mean, it has to be a coincidence, right? Like I'm sure they weren't.
Exactly, because
like,
I
they
think
didn't
the
go out
more-
there like, भैया एक मोटा पाइप चाहिए कितना बाद इसमें से आत्मा
Yeah,
निकल
I
सके.
Exactly. And I think the motive of this series was to really tell us that, this was just a coincidence and nothing else.
Right.
And
Yeah.
the reason of this incident was actually something really else and not just these stupid rumors that are going around for the number or the,
Right.
Exactly.
other methods of crime.
So then these diaries are found, right? 11 diaries are found. They all are taken by the cops or
Yeah.
whoever the investigating agency is. Must have been NIA or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
They
CBI,
take-
CBI.
CBI? Okay, CBI takes this. Crime branch, right? Crime branch takes this and they start combing through these diaries, right? And it would seem that for 11 years, this family had been maintaining copious amounts of notes as to how to live their daily life. And even like small things, right?
Yeah.
Like चिंटू की पढ़ाई अच्छी नहीं जा रही है उसको बोलो बकअप करने के लिए, like things like that.
फोन मत यूज करने तो.
फोन बहुत यूज कर रहे हो रात को और whatever कम यूज करो or something like that. और like राकेश तुम्हारी alcoholism बढ़ रही है तो घर में alcoholism प्रवेश नहीं करनी चाहिए or whatever the Hindi word of
like
that is
just
Madira.
general daily stuff, their day-to-day lives, they're writing what. So okay, journaling is something that has what you did, but they're writing what.
Do
they
either of
need
you
to
journal, by
do.
the way? Do either of you journal? I don't.
I don't.
I don't.
Okay.
I tweet.
Okay, well,
Yeah,
I guess
so-
nobody's finding out if we die, how we died.
But yeah, this was something else. This was something that what you need to do now, what you need to do today, like a kind of a to-do list, like a checklist. Ki,
Yeah, exactly.
These are the
Right,
things that are need to be done.
And this is all like it's written in third voice, right? And
Yeah.
like there are sentences like मैं फिर से आऊंगा, मैं इतने बजे आऊंगा.
Yeah, these diaries were basically a done deal because the last entry in these diaries was the night before this happened, right?
30th June.
Yeah, the
2009.
30th June was the last entry.
Yeah.
And the entry was that how to carry out this supposed
Ritual.
suicide ceremony, ceremony or
Yeah,
whatever.
supposed
And
ritual.
They were like, ये हाथ ऐसे बंधने चाहिए, मुंह पे या तो गैग होना चाहिए या फिर पट्टी होनी चाहिए, like डॉक्टर टेप, और टेलीफोन वायर से हाथ बंधे होने चाहिए. बच्चों को समझाओ कि ये
बच्चों के
जरूरी है.
हाथ,
बच्चों के हाथ, because kids may
Kids
not
will
have been
not-
as compliable, right?
Yeah.
May not have complied as easily. So they were like, okay, just tie them. It's just like a 15-20 minute thing and you'll be done
Yeah.
after that. And so again, like reiterating also that they expected to survive, but reiterating also that these diaries were the reasons why this family had gone ahead with this, right? Now, so after they read the last entry, they're like, okay, fine, we kind of understand that this is what led them to this, right? But what are these diaries? What is happening in these diaries? So they go back and start reading all the entries from day one, right? And they start understanding that these entries are seemingly made by Lalit, maybe not written by Lalit, but made in Lalit's voice in a way. But it would seem that Lalit had been getting either possessions, like getting possessed by the spirit of his dead father, or getting premonitions of the dead father, or somehow the dead father would like visit Lalit in his dreams or something and tell him what was to be done and how to help the family prosper more and stuff like that. Things that they wrote in the diary actually quite helped the family, it would seem, right? They talked about what like school stuff and like business stuff and how to
Right,
expand the business
financial
and all
gains.
financial gains, and it actually helped the family.
I
The family
think-
started moving up in the
yeah.
world. So slowly by slowly, they started trusting. It would seem. We don't know this still, but it would seem they started trusting these
What Lalit was
exactly saying in this thing,
saying
right?
in this person's.
And his claim was that the father, my dead father, is coming to me to tell me all these things and give me the ways to lead this thing. So you guys need to. So it would be written in the diaries, right? Like, जो भी ललित कहे या फिर ललित और टीना
Right.
was Lalit's wife, जो भी ललित और टीना कहें वो ही मानना है, वैसे ही चलना है, ज़्यादा प्रश्न नहीं पूछने हैं, और like stuff like that. So it would seem. So again, like so these are diaries, right? Then they start investigating what is Lalit's mindset. Why would someone think that they're getting premonitions by their father and want to control the family through that? Did he actually believe that he was getting these premonitions from the father, or was it just like make believe the entire time? Again, something that we don't know by the end of this, and probably we'll never find out because
Yes,
they're all
exactly.
passed
And
on.
like that is the first thing that came in my mind, because when I realized that he's actually writing this stuff and claiming that it's his father, the
Yeah.
first thing that maybe this is something to gain like a power dynamic in a joint family.
Yeah, that's what.
Maybe.
That's
makes
that's
sense
the
to me.
first really. That's
Yeah,
the first
right,
exactly, that's the
point
first
that
thought.
Right.
really
And,
makes
and he
sense.
writes it like that as well. तुम लोग ललित की बात नहीं सुनोगे तो अच्छा नहीं होगा. ललित की तबीयत ठीक नहीं
Exactly.
रहती है आजकल.
Exactly.
It's all
And
benefiting
it
him in the end.
seemed that he was only writing. He was writing about himself. He wanted
Right.
to gain,
Like he wanted to be the
power
head
and-
patriarch of the
yeah,
family.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense.
So then the cops or the investigating agency, the CBI and all, start investigating Lalit's own background. How the family originally came from this place called Tohana. The father came from there, shifted to Delhi, raised the family in Delhi, and had 3 kids. The eldest kid
4
was
kids. 5 kids.
whatever the number of kids.
Right.
5
Yeah.
kids. 2 surviving siblings.
Yeah, 2 sons and the rest
3
who
were
passed away. Yeah.
passed away.
And the youngest of these children the youngest boy at least, was Lalit.
Yes.
Lalit.
And it would seem Lalit had like kind of a weird, troubled upbringing, childhood, or even like after as a grown up also he had like a weird time of it. Because at 2 different points of his life he may have went through like some major trauma. In the sense, one was like a major accident that he had back in the day, because of which he got a little bit of head injury also. And head injuries can have terrible effects long term. Like in later aspects of your life, like brain injuries and head injuries can have like very terrible results for you. This is clearly shown in American footballers, like
Right.
like that kind of stuff, who get a lot of head trauma.
Concussions.
Boxers, yeah, concussions. A lot of like boxers and all. Professional fighters.
Not just concussions. I think a lot of something that it's not physical, but again mental.
No, but like no. This
And,
first one seemed physical at least. I think he had an injury in the head. Didn't you say
Right,
that?
right,
Bhagwan?
he did.
No, yeah, there.
Yeah.
Like I'm saying the long-term effects of it.
Yeah, the long term
Can
effects
be.
of it, yeah, will be like
Yeah.
trauma, will be like
Yeah,
mental. Yeah,
yeah.
exactly. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. And then, so this was the first incident that happened to him that kind of like left him a little shaken or whatever.
Yeah.
And the second incident, seemingly, and this was bizarre to me, this incident, was he had like a payment dispute with his employer. He used to work. This Lalit used to work at a plywood shop, and he had a payment like a salary dispute with the employer, and the employer locked Lalit inside the plywood shop and shot and set his own shop on fire.
So actually, the way this was reported was a little different back then, because I
Okay.
remember from the reports that some incident happened in his plywood shop where something fell on him, and it was burning.
Oh.
That's what had happened. That's what I had heard in the initial reports. They had shown it a little differently in this, maybe because they had some different sources or
Oh.
something.
Yeah, maybe more time has passed by and they know
Right,
the final
right,
story now. Yeah, that also could
right.
be it, right?
Because it seems weird to
Ah.
believe that someone set their own shop on fire for that.
Yeah,
It's such a
dude.
petty thing.
Yeah, that sounds very far-fetched. That sounds very weird.
Yeah.
Why would you do that? You're अपनी पैर में कुल्हाड़ी मार रहा है भाई. So
Yeah, but this was sometime when he this was when he was born, I guess.
No,
like
no, this was
eligible?
about 3 years before his father's death.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Right.
And so yeah, getting to that. So then he had all this trauma, right? And he stopped speaking after the second incident, after the
So he
fire
was
incident.
beaten up a lot, I think.
He was
He
beaten
was
up also,
beaten
and then
up,
he
and then he
like
was
yeah, correct. He was
locked in the
he
shop.
was,
and then,
but while the shop was on fire, he was able to call his brother, okay, hey, I'm
Yeah.
locked inside. I think I'm in a lot of trouble. Please come save me. And then they were able to save him.
Yeah.
And but apparently there was maybe or some kind of mental trauma he had or physical trauma that we aren't aware of. But he stopped speaking after that incident for a
3
total of like 3 years or so.
3 years, yes.
Yeah, he stopped speaking altogether. Like he would not speak even like utter assent, like my tiny words and all. He just stopped speaking altogether. And often what happens apparently, so on this documentary they talk to the police officers who were involved in the case and who were around the case. They talk to journalists who were involved in the case and around the case. They talk to also psychiatrists, which is very interesting, about how the psyche of someone like this who goes ahead with someone like this, what the psyche of such persons could be, right? And it seems that cults, right? When cults are formed, they are or they obviously revolve around this one central figure. Okay, they
Right.
form around this one central figure,
Right.
and often there is some kind of a miracle that takes place that is able to solidify this person's either supernatural abilities or like, oh, that I know more than you or that I am better than you and you guys should listen to me. Basically, something that solidifies that person's legitibility
Right.
about being their just like unquestioned leader, you know.
Yeah.
And for Lalit, apparently it would seem like that moment came when so this father died in 2006, I think. Okay,
Seven.
father 2007. और तेरे को सब पता है, bro. Dates तो आदित्य को. I'm not even gonna bother. I'm gonna ask when did father die? So the father passed away in 2007, and after his death, the entire family. So he was like a very authoritative kind of like. I mean, like, must have been a good enough father, of course, but was an authoritative patriarch, the leader of the family. Clearly, everyone looked to him for advice and everything, right, in the family.
Yeah.
After he passed away, the family apparently felt a little lost. They didn't know who to turn to, and they were hoping someone, one of the brothers, would step up. One of the sons of the father who had passed away would step up and take that role. And one day, and Lalit wanted to, it would seem like, fill those shoes. Okay, but so one day they're doing
Yeah,
like
it
some.
seemed like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
They were doing some reading of the Hanuman Chalisa, doing some puja, right? They're reading the Hanuman Chalisa. And in the diary, so this is the time when he started minting the diary notes that Lalit ko ye, premonitions aa rahi hain father ki.
Yeah.
And
I think the premonition started
after the voice came back or just before the voice came back?
Just before the voice came
Yeah,
back.
yeah,
I
exactly.
think.
Yes.
So because it was
Um,
mentioned कि हनुमान चालीसा गाते रहो और ललित की आवाज समथिंग ललित को बहुत
Yeah.
सुख मिलेगा समझ
Because
रहा है कि आवाज come back.
because I think he started writing in the first place because he was not speaking.
That's very possible, man. That's exactly what I thought also at first. कि maybe he just started writing, and then he started. Once you start
He-
writing, you start thinking of you start thinking of other things also. Okay, oh, okay, I can write about this. I can write about this.
he
I can write
doesn't
about
have
this.
he can't say okay. So even if it's traumatic, even if the incident was traumatic because of which his voice was gone,
Yeah,
his only way to express himself was to write.
yeah.
I
fair,
think that's the
fair.
only point.
Yeah, that makes
That's
sense
how
to me.
he'll only and
Exactly.
so it could be like both ways. Like he is not really at his best self,
Hmm.
but still he wants that power, and the best way to go about it could be to write and
Right.
then so that nobody is like ki, you know
People may not listen to him, but they will listen to his father.
exactly
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
And also, I just
It's very
fact checked
good, yeah.
myself. The father died in 2006. He starts talking in 2007.
so yeah.
Aditya.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So he started. You're saying in 2007 he started receiving messages from the father. Is that what you're saying?
In
I
2007,
think
he
he
starts
started
talking.
writing in
He starts talking.
2006.
Okay, he starts
Starts
talking. So
talking.
exactly. So the father passes away in
started
2006. Yeah.
yeah.
And one day the entire family is reading Hanuman Chalisa doing the puja, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
everyone's chanting, but Lalit. And while they are chanting, Lalit also starts chanting. Okay. And with his eyes closed or whatever, starts chanting. And everyone realizes, oh shit, Lalit is singing, dude. Lalit is chanting. So
And
they all stop. They all become
yeah.
quiet. And Lalit continues the chant and finishes the chant. Okay. And again, that seems like an act to me. Like seems like so convenient. I don't know. Again, this is insensitive. We are just analyzing this documentary, guys. This is
Right.
what all the facts are in the
Right.
documentary presented to us.
Right. See,
Uh,
yeah,
so
that's
yeah.
what. No, see, I think we've all heard cases about.
Also, again, it seems very easy to again suggest that it seems like an act because we weren't there,
Right.
we
Right.
don't know.
Maybe
but it
he was
seems
just
like
going
an
through
act.
some
Dude.
trauma and found like
Yeah,
now
exactly.
now I'm over it. So
Yeah, exactly.
maybe
But sorry,
that could
Surani,
be
we
the-
cut you off. What were you saying?
No, absolutely. It was the same point. Maybe that could be it. I'm over the trauma. I'm over that. And
Yeah.
I need to step up now
right.
because my father is also not
Passed away,
there
yeah,
to
correct.
help, and my eldest brother is
Yeah.
also not there.
Yeah,
And so who's gonna take that charge?
exactly.
Me.
So when that happened, right, when he got his voice back, this was seemingly the miracle moment that the cult needs.
Right.
Yes, correct.
That solidified him as
Correct.
this being of, I don't know, like extra supernatural powers or something like that, right?
Yeah.
And so
not and also the spirit that he's getting, the spirit like supposedly the spirit that he's getting
yeah,
is of his father, somebody who's who has been the
the leader of the family. Yeah.
the leader of the family, somebody whom they have listened for a very
Right.
long time, somebody
So
who
that
they
second.
follow for
Yeah,
a very
correct,
long
correct.
time.
So,
So they
yeah.
can't really say कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है.
Dude, also,
क्योंकि-
what happens, like, I don't know. This is again like a leap I'm gonna make. Okay, this is gonna be a leap. But
Yeah.
think about a scenario, right? Where the grandmother, she's also old. Maybe I don't know what her mental capacity is. Okay,
Yeah, we don't know the.
we don't know.
Yeah.
But I would say that if you're that old, if you're like 80 plus, it's fair to say it's not 100%. Her mental capacities are not 100%. Like to some extent, I think I can say that, right?
absolutely.
Isn't it possible that Lalit started writing these notes, right? And then the grandmother, whatever, was made aware of them, or she read them, or it was read to her, and she was like, "Oh wow, my dead husband is now back." Okay, so after that, she also supported Lalit's this thing because she was like, "Oh no, yeah, I believe, mere pati to wapas aa sakte hain, whatever." So how do you fight your mother, man? Like even if the other sons or grandchildren are gonna say something, the grandmother will do like emo, like I don't know, again these are like terrible terms to use, but like emotional drama, like emotional blackmail के oh तुम तो मेरी बात ही नहीं सुनते, मेरा पति आ रहा है
Right.
और तुम लोग फिर भी सुनी नहीं है मेरी बात, तुम्हें पूजा ही नहीं करनी, सिर्फ पूजा ही तो है, सिर्फ पूजा ही तो है, पूजा भी नहीं करनी तुम लोग को.
This whole belief system is actually the core of the controversy, right?
Yeah.
Because how do you, like someone who's so well educated, working at an MNC, how do you believe in like hanging yourself just because one of your uncles is saying that?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it just comes
At
down
what point do you
to-
get so brainwashed into believing that thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I
But
think,
again, I keep thinking about. Okay, my first thought is always, okay, why would they do this? 11 people, why would they do this? Why would they do this? Then I think,
Right.
but if they expected to survive, if they were all convinced they're going to survive,
see, honestly,
10-15 मिनट खत्म ही हो जाएगा. They'll be like, चलो
how?
खाने खत्म करो. I don't
Convinced
know.
how?
I do not know. I don't.
That's
Right,
what. No,
and-
how powerful that person would be,
Yeah.
and the spirit that he's
Right.
getting. How powerful would that person be that the people living in the house got convinced about doing a step, about taking a step which I mean, it's not that they've not seen movies. It's not that they
Yeah.
don't have
Right.
mobile phones. It's not that they've
Yeah,
not
you're right.
been
They're
in
a
the
very
internet culture.
modern
It's not like
family.
they. Yeah, you're right.
It's
It's
not
not like
like
they don't know
that.
what hanging is.
It's not like
Yeah.
they know
Yes.
suicide is. What suicide is.
Of course.
You
yeah,
know
you're right.
when you hang from something and you are not breathing for
Yep.
even like 2 minutes, you're dead. So this is we're talking about 15 minutes here. How could they not know that?
And the
It's just
Yeah, you're
creepiest
right.
part
You're absolutely
was
right. I
कि
don't think
बोल
about
में
it
एक
that way.
पानी रख देना, जब पानी का रंग बदलेगा तब मैं आ जाऊंगा. Man, that was so creepy.
Man, okay, that second episode, right? Again, I have to say.
we have to connect the story.
Yeah.
हम
So second
skipping.
episode, we skipped one part.
Right.
Yeah.
Is when they would read quotes that supposedly the father
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
making, right? In the
Oh, those
diaries.
voiceovers.
Yeah. So then they started doing this voiceover in the second episode onwards. They started doing this voiceover where
Something.
it was like, मैं आऊंगा और देखेंगे कि क्या होगा. You know, like this kind of
Yes.
creepy kind of a voice they were doing.
Yes.
And that was not a bad impression, right? That's that was-
Oh,
That was
I
good.
had to turn the
That
lights
was a
off.
little. That was a little bit of Batman, but that was good.
You know, Batman. I like that. Okay. But they started making like this slightly exaggerated kind of like supernaturally kind of
Yeah.
voice
Right.
kind of show.
Yeah.
And at first it seemed very cheesy. I'm like, why are they doing this? This is gonna spoil it. Is this gonna become the rest of the documentary is gonna become like this kind of like nonsense? But then like after like hearing the voice out 2-3 times, right? I started getting scared, dude. It was
Right.
working. It was eerie. I got goosebumps and shit.
यार
Yes, yeah, dude, wow.
मैंने फोन निकाल लिया. I started looking in my phone. मैं सुन रहा हूँ पर मैं देख नहीं रहा. I'm just texting people. I'm checking out my notifications. I can't watch that.
Man.
That was. I watched it and it was creepy because
Very creepy.
the lines that he was saying.
Yeah. कि
Could
मैं-
not believe
It's all
that.
in one first person, right? Whenever the father is talking, it's all in first person.
Always in the
Right.
first person. As
So
if
bec- no,
Lalit
because-
is the third person and the
Yeah,
father is the first
Exactly,
person.
because
Right.
the diaries are written from the POV of the father.
The
In a
father.
sense, yeah, it's
Yeah.
all like the father's first person. Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
father's supposedly writing it.
And
But
yeah,
also
I mean,
again, one more thing we missed is that they tried to match the handwritings.
you're right.
Like, as to
Yes.
who's
Right.
writing these diaries. And another something that threw me for a toss, dude. It would seem that Lalit was
Dictating them.
dictating it to his two nieces, who are
Yes.
what are their ages? 25 or something? 23,
Yeah, in the
25?
20s.
Yeah, in the 20s. He was dictating it to these nieces, and the nieces were the ones who were writing it. So again, I don't understand, dude. Like, what is the logic? If you are the ones writing it, how are you? If you're seeing, how convincing is this dude who is dictating it to you?
Right.
I just
True.
don't know, man. So many answers.
I was actually shocked. Not really shocked, but I had a question. What was the second brother doing? This covered this whole documentary covered.
the one whose face was covered the entire time. That one.
No, not that one. The one
The one who was living in
died,
the house.
who's living in the house, who also committed suicide.
Oh, Rakesh. You're talking about Rakesh.
supposed-
Lalit's brother was
Rakesh.
Rakesh. I'm pretty sure his name was Rakesh. And
Okay. I mean, I
he-
got the
no, so
story
it-
of the.
yeah,
I got the
what
story
I
of the
understood
younger
was-
generation. Yeah.
what I understood about I'm just gonna go with Rakesh. Please correct me if the name is different. Okay?
Yeah,
But what my understanding was that Rakesh was not stepping up to becoming the leader of the family. He was fine enough. He was doing like decently enough in his business and all. But he didn't want to step up to the family, and that's fine, dude. Like you don't have to step up and
Maybe
lead
when
the
he was
family.
like, Papa hai to.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, he's like, he's right here, dude. Why do we need someone else?
Oh, we're gonna get bashed after this.
No,
Oh.
man. Again, we did not kill these people, guys. They're dead.
Papa hai to.
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
dude,
that's
there was a
true.
quote. There's a quote.
But I
we were
mean,
okay, sorry, please go ahead.
How can you be so? I mean, okay, he's not stepping up for the family. He's not doing that. But still, that
Again,
is
how are you so
not the
gullible?
reason.
How are you so gullible? And how do you not know your brother
He's
at
the
all? Okay,
elder
he's capable of
brother.
something like this.
How
I-
can
yeah.
you be so? I don't.
Also,
wanna say,
again, another question to ask
Yeah.
is that his wife Tina, she went ahead with it,
Exactly.
but wasn't she in
See, I
cahoots
get
in
it.
a way?
I totally got it. The question that was raised in the documentary as well. How can you be so not so emotional or not so available? I mean, she's a mother, and
Yeah.
she's ready to go at this length with the husband.
To get power in the family.
Yeah, and I mean, this would include her child as well. So
Yeah, exactly. You're
what
right.
happened to
Right.
that
What
motherhood
happened?
factor?
Yeah.
And keeping
Where
that
did
aside,
that
also,
go?
what was so sinister and so evil about this whole thing was that when they were writing this thing, the diary entries, one of them was कि बेबे खड़ी नहीं हो पाती उनको लिटा के करो. So he
Yes.
wanted to kill everyone.
Correct.
I mean,
Yeah.
whatever
So
that voice that
the
he was
older,
hearing, or
the grandmother.
Yeah.
So again, there were 3 generations, right? There were like the grandmother, there was her 3 children in the house and their wives or spouses or whatever, and
their kids.
those children's children, so
Yeah.
the grandkids, right? And the grandmother was like elderly, she couldn't stand properly, she was kind of obese. So the explanation how to make her do this supposed ritual, which was like
this was
not
so
really a ritual.
sinister.
Yeah, exactly. And it was
Exactly.
कि
It was
she
cynicism.
she can't stand on the stool and all, so you have to just strangle her in the bed and
With
make
the
her
cupboard.
hang from the cupboard. Yeah,
Yeah.
the cupboard ka handle or something which is next to her. The partial hanging she was found with. Again, this bizarre.
Everything was so bizarre, but yet so.
Also, guys,
Also-
did you realize that the title track was by A.R. Rahman?
I did not,
What?
but I read about it. I read about
Yes,
it
it
after.
was.
I had no
The,
idea.
the title track was by A.R. Rahman.
Wow.
Oh yeah, Rahman, right? He'll do all work excellently. Yeah. But again, like so this case we've all, I think we've covered everything that they covered for the most
Yeah,
part.
mostly
Right.
we covered. I think
What it really showed, I think,
Yeah. Yeah,
what
yeah.
it really showed us is the manipulation that media can do.
Yeah.
And again, we are post-pandemic people. Okay, we know the manipulations media can do.
Yeah.
We have been through this entire fucking pandemic. We have known
Yeah.
that the media, don't trust the media almost at all
Right.
for anything.
Right.
Another thing that I want to mention is a quote that was in the show that was talking about just when the crime journalists were being introduced, right?
Yeah.
There was a quote that said that it is said, they say that crime journalists ke paas dil nahi hota, or something like that.
Oh,
yes.
They are
Yes.
desensitized to seeing death and dead
Yes.
bodies.
Yes.
But even we, looking at this case, even we were like, dude, what has happened? 11 people, this is unheard of. But
Right.
I do get that these people are desensitized, dude. Like, of course, you see dead bodies every day. Police officers, crime journalists, of course, you're gonna get desensitized. It's just par for the course. So when that police officer who was smiling and stuff, I think that's just basically his coping mechanism, dude. He doesn't find this amusing at all.
Right.
That's his coping mechanism.
Yeah.
So that's why I found him to be like a very sweet, well-mannered kind of like a dude, man, like a nice guy. I think like someone I would go and have like a chai with, you know.
Yeah, no, I think they would have to be that. I mean, they can't
Yeah, you can't
go
take
to
it
the
personally
scene
every time.
That's
Exactly.
and start bawling and crying. They can't do that. They don't have the liberty to
In
do
fact,
that.
they also said that when the daughter who survived was coming over there, they first sat there with her. They told her what she's going to
Yeah,
expect so that she doesn't
held.
faint.
Yeah. So I mean, they have seen these kind of cases
Exactly.
before, and they have seen people's reaction to those cases,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
that's how they cannot be the person falling down, or
Right.
in the not like just before the public, but post that as well, like in the private as well.
Yeah.
Because that would just affect whatever they are really working on
Yeah.
at that or they are thinking at that particular time. I also liked all the explanations from I think all the explanations from all this psychologists, psychiatrists
Yeah, agreed.
were at
Absolutely
a
agreed.
brilliant time. Matlab, if the series is going on and you will really need that particular explanation at that particular time,
Right.
it was at
Right.
at par with
Very well
that.
done.
Like
Yeah.
It was actually quite comforting to listen to that because at the time it
Exactly.
felt like it's something paranormal, but then they're like,
something
no.
bizarre, something, but no. Okay, here is the explanation to that.
Yes.
Here is the
But
explanation. To
I also
that.
like that they didn't try to explain everything. Like there were psychiatrists who were not
Yeah.
able to. It's not
It
an
was-
easy answer. How do you
yeah,
answer everything? Like if you've never encountered a case like this,
Yeah.
you can't always have the
Yeah.
answer. So they were like,
Yeah.
even I don't know the answer to that. Like what makes a person, as you said, lose that intention to save that
Yeah, they
child, or
didn't have
what
the
lose?
answer to it,
they don't-
but
you know,
they
they don't have
tried.
the answer.
They still tried comforting the audience
Yes,
by
Yeah.
not answering it. Like
Correct.
I don't know the answer. So if I don't know the answer, it's okay if you don't.
Correct, absolutely.
kind of that
Another
when-
thing that
when-
this will be the last thing that I talk about is another thing. Again, talking about the media, is what really caught me off guard. I mean, we all kind of knew this, but I didn't expect it to be like to this extent, right? The pressure that journalists and especially crime journalists face to get to have more on the case, like always constantly be telling me more. अभी तक lead क्यों नहीं आया तुम्हारे पास? हाँ, how have you not solved this case yet? Dude, I can't solve this case. It's not on me. But their higher ups are just always pressuring them. So, and that's why when you find out stupid things like this pipe thing where you can easily investigate, but you can get an angle out of it instead, that you go
ahead
with the angle.
that.
Yeah, you go for that.
Makes
You go for that. Okay, this is something that our
Yeah.
newspaper did this first. Oh, आज तक ने आज pipes का बड़ा खुलासा खोला and whatever.
Yeah.
So yeah, again, something to be wary of is what I would say. That we should all be wary of the media and the powers of the media.
I
and the
like
demands of the media.
I like the part they also did an interview with the doctor who was working on the bodies in the morgue.
Oh
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
I mean, her explanation, her reaction was also
Yeah, she was like, we have to do it clinically. We can't be
Yeah, that
like what emotional
that
and all
was-
this.
that
the
was-
best part
that was
was
good.
she was like कि जब मैंने टीवी में देखा तो मुझे पता चल गया कि oh no बहुत सारा काम आने वाला है.
Correct.
Oh no. बहुत सारा
I
काम
was like,
आने- I
wow,
was
this is
just going.
such a human
मेरे को
reaction.
लगा
I
था आज
totally
हल्का
relate
दिन
to
है
it.
but बहुत सारा
Yeah.
काम आने वाला है. Okay. Wow. And before this, I had no idea that they could do psychological investigation after somebody's death, like that analysis.
Okay. I
They
think
they
you kinda
mentioned
can.
CBI
Yeah, they did
officers
mention that, huh.
mentioned that. So I had no idea ki they could do that, like after
Yeah.
post somebody's
Passing,
death,
yeah, correct, yeah.
passing.
Actually, a
I was
very
like,
famous
wow,
example of that is the
that's-
Chris Benoit murders.
The Chris Benoit?
Murders. So Chris Benoit was this wrestler.
Wrestler?
Who actually, who killed his wife and daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And his brain was examined after he was dead, and they found like these.
Whoa.
So this is again what we were talking to earlier, that when you are a boxer or someone for too long who sustained a lot of head damage, this is
Yeah.
what happens to you. So even in his case, this was found out that his brain was basically like an 80-year-old while he was something in his 30s. He had suffered that level of dementia.
Wow.
Wow.
Crazy.
So it was a double murder and suicide. So he killed his child and wife,
wife,
and
Wife,
then
and
committed
then
suicide.
he might committed suicide.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I would say ki everybody should watch this once.
Okay, I have a final question. Yeah, absolutely. Please go watch this. And it's only 3 episodes. Man, I also like the kid, the friend of those the kids who had died.
Yeah.
He was like one of the final things in the final episodes is him talking about how he misses
gets-
those kids and he gets nightmares about
Nightmares.
them, about seeing them and stuff.
Hmm.
Again, very touching also and very sad also that he lost his friends. And then you start thinking about like your own friends. They're like, damn, dude, yeah, you're right, man. Like, what if tomorrow some friend of mine does something stupid and commits suicide or something? I don't want that, dude.
Yeah.
That's terrible. Last question I want to ask you guys, and maybe this might be like a slightly lighter note, is would you feel comfortable going and visiting that house? You would? I would not.
I would.
You would?
I would.
Okay.
I could.
I
Okay, you
love
could,
going to
I
all
wouldn't,
these-
and he would. Okay.
I
So
love
we are
going
like
to these
covering the
places
entire
in Delhi.
spectrum. Sorry, what did you say?
I said I love visiting these creepy places in Delhi.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
So last year,
okay.
this time, I was at this place called Malcha Mahal where like people had died.
Uh-huh.
Sir, it's fun.
When people die, I guess. Wow,
Just visit those
Aditya,
places.
Aditya, yeah, dude. This is how Aditya plans his trips, right? He's like, oh, यहाँ पे 4 मर्डर हुए, चलो यहाँ पे चलो.
ये तो कम है थोड़े 8-9 दिखाना.
8-9 अरे बांग्लादेश.
Aditya should be crime investigating podcaster, producer.
Yes. Yes.
Aditya, you want to
CIPP.
be, you studied to be a journalist, you said, no?
Yeah.
I did.
And did you ever practice as a journalist then?
No, I did not. So see, I was in advertising pehle. I was like, ये नहीं journalism करना है. I did journalism. I ended up in radio after that.
Oh, so
wow. Okay, cool,
Yeah.
man. Nice.
makes
I get that, dude. I did architecture in college, and this is what I'm doing now.
All right.
It doesn't matter at all. All right, so this was a lovely
Yeah.
episode. Like, of course, eerie. I'm sure disturbing to some extent also.
Absolutely.
But it was very interesting. This entire series was damn interesting. And thank you so much for Aditya and Surani for joining me. and
Thanks.
helping
Thank
talk about this.
you.
We'll be right back after this very short break, giving you guys some awesome recommendations. So please stay tuned for a quick recommendation round.
$100. That's all it takes to begin your journey with Bitcoin and Ethereum. No, really. With CoinSwitch, you can start investing in over 100 cryptocurrencies with just 100 rupees. On top of that, there are zero charges for deposits and withdrawals, so you can trade, buy, sell, however and whenever you want. All of this, plus their extremely intuitive interface, makes CoinSwitch the perfect app for beginners in the crypto space. But don't take my word for it. Just download CoinSwitch for free and try it out for yourself. If you'd like more information on cryptocurrencies, tune into A Show About Crypto with me, Rohan Joshi, my new adventure on IVM Podcasts. CoinSwitch, kuch to badlega.
All right, and we are back to talk about some recommendations that we will start with Surohini with. Surohini, what's a recommendation?
Oh shit. So actually, not an original film, but a remake of The Guilty. If you guys
The
have
Jake
seen
Gyllenhaal, the new Jake
the
Gyllenhaal.
Jake Gyllenhaal, yeah.
It's a movie, right?
It's a movie. It's a movie
Oh, yeah?
that came on Netflix recently. It is a remake of a Danish film called The Guilty. So it's basically based on a story of a police officer who is on caller's duty. Caller's duty is in the sense he is he'll
Like-
be at the help desk.
Oh, okay.
Like he'll be
cool.
receiving 911 calls.
Okay.
So he is at the caller's duty, and there is this one call that he receives where he needs to help somebody who has been kidnapped by her fiance, her husband. By her husband. And it is a very intriguing story that revolves around this caller and the police officer's relationship, which eventually has a lot of twists. I don't want to give spoilers, but a lot of twists. The thing that I loved was that this was shot under, I think, 13 or 12 days, and the whole movie, I would say, in a one frame only. For example, for 1.5 hours, you
Yeah.
will only see Jake Gyllenhaal and nobody else.
So you mean it's
Wow.
like one take? It's like a one take
No,
movie?
it's not one take. It has edits, it has angles, but you'll only see Jake Gyllenhaal. You'll never see the caller. You'll never see anybody else
Oh, wow.
who is there as a character. You'll just see Jake Gyllenhaal in this. Gyllenhaal, if I'm pronouncing
Jake
it
Gyllenhaal, yeah.
correctly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
you
Yes,
will
that
only
sounds
see
great.
him in this whole movie. You should see. If I want to say something about this movie in one line, I would say, if a podcast episode was ever visualized, this would be it because it's one person thing only.
Well,
So yeah, you should see it. It's on Netflix.
Alright.
I would also say go and watch The Guilty, the original film.
is it
Because
like this
was
only?
it is like this only, but it was much, much, much better.
Oh, so you've seen the original also?
Yeah, I've seen original also.
Oh, yeah. That's
So
cool.
I saw original before, and then I saw this. But you should see the original one because you will see amazing direction, man. Amazing direction and cinematography.
Okay.
You'll see. I just can't explain it in more words than this.
All right.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
So that's my
Um,
recommendation.
The
If somebody
Guilty
wants to.
on
The
Netflix.
Guilty. Yes,
Yeah.
on Netflix.
All right. Aditya, what about you? What's a recommendation, buddy?
So I've been reading this book, and since we are on the topic of crime and death and murders, so it's a book called The Bavla Murder Case.
The
it came
Bavla.
out- Yeah, The Bavla Murder Case.
Okay.
So it's about this man called Mr. Abdul Bavla, who was a very, very one of the richest men in Bombay around the early 20th century.
Okay.
And this is the book of his murder, and it actually has an amazing cast of characters. So it's
It's a true story?
a true story. It's based on a true story.
Wow. Okay.
So this is by Dhaval Kulkarni, the journalist, not the cricketer.
Oh.
Okay.
And so the thing is, it's a 250-page book with 50 pages of citations. It's that well researched. And
Wait, what are citations again?
references.
References.
Oh,
Where
okay.
is this information sourced from?
Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
50
okay.
pages
So very
of
thorough.
citations, man.
So
Yeah,
you're saying
very
very thorough. Okay.
Very thorough. And the fun part here is that it goes all the way from like the Holkars and the Scindias and the rivalry between them to the Marathas, to the modern, the Jinnah, Patel, these characters. There's Ambedkar, Savarkar, these all appear in this book as characters. So it's a very nice mix of a murder mystery mixed with like the socio-cultural thing. It's an amazing book.
Okay, cool, man.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the tagline goes something on the lines of love, lust, and crime in colonial India. Should totally check it out.
Okay. Are they going to make it into a movie or documentary or something?
I really don't know about that, but they should. It came out like
But would
late
that
last
be
year or early this year.
that great?
I mean, will it
would
beat
that-
Burari Deaths?
Oh, nice.
All right. So that's Aditya's recommendation. It was the Bawla murder case. It's a book. So please go check that out. And mine is a completely different end of the spectrum. I already mentioned one of the three things that came out this weekend that I've been excited for. One of them was Dave Chappelle's The Closer. It's Dave Chappelle is my comedy god. He's considered by many to be one of the greatest stand-up comedians ever, and by many to be the greatest stand-up comedian living, or whatever iteration of that you want to make. And he knows by this point that he's one of the greatest, because there are a couple of jokes in this special about how great he is, and it's hilarious. So go check out Dave Chappelle's The Closer if you are a Dave Chappelle fan. The special has been getting some flack about some homophobic jokes or like jokes on the LGBTQ community that he makes. But to me, I always defend the person who's making the joke. And to me, a joke is a joke and nothing more. And I think that it's the same for Dave Chappelle. So yeah, I would say please go check out The Closer. And then go check out other of Dave Chappelle's Netflix specials. They're all on Netflix. And all of them are hilarious. So yep, go to that. That brings us to the end of this episode. Thank you so much for listening in to our discussion on The House of Secrets, Burari Deaths. Going away. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me, Sonali and
Thank
Aditya.
you. It was fun.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you
Bye-bye.
guys next week. Bye-bye.
Hi everybody, just wanted to ask everyone for a quick favor. We're running a brand survey right now and would really appreciate it if you could let us know what you think about the advertising on IVM. Go to ivmpodcast.com/survey and do let us know. As part of this, we'll be selecting 10 random participants and sending them some IVM swag, so do fill out those surveys.
Hey everybody, it's been another great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On Storytellers and Storysellers, Vineet talks to Mansi Gupta, aka Max Play, about her rapid growth as a female gaming creator on YouTube. On Paisa Vaisa, Anupam speaks to Sandeep Bagla, CEO of Trust AMC, about the status of death funds during the pandemic and their importance in portfolios. On a show about crypto, Rohan asks the question, what is a crypto wallet? To Tarusha Mittal, podcaster and COO at Oro Pocket, Uniform and Cloud Reno. On the Life Manifesto, Zarina dives deep into the imposter syndrome and shares some helpful techniques to overcome it. And on Football Shipball, Gaurav and Savram talk about the showstopper game of the week, Liverpool versus Manchester. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of our others for that matter, please do tell a friend. We really appreciate you spreading this. Word of mouth helps a lot. And finally, this week, we'd like to thank our sponsors, Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Slay Coffee, and Intel. We really appreciate the support.
Eventually, you'll see the end of your childhood,
Get accustomed to womanhood.
enjoy the experience of sisterhood,
Might get to wifehood
or not, choose motherhood,
or not. You'll learn to define your personhood.
earn a livelihood,
Change the neighborhood.
and get rid of the falsehood that life post-academia is easy.
So join me, Ritasha,
And me, Ayushi,
on a journey from station starting point.
to station, what now?
Next station, Pudin station, and hopefully, Agla station, adulthood.
Fresh episodes out every Thursday.